Hi guys, my name is Miriam Hepler. I go by Miriam. I also use she, her pronouns. I have lived in Pennsylvania my entire life, and I'm currently living back home with my parents. At the height of the pandemic, there were 9 of us all together living here, so it was a little crazy, but we are down to 6 now, so it's a little less insane. We used to have a lot of people living here, because I am one of 6, so we're kind of used to it, but it is interesting to see everyone as adults coexisting once again. I graduated from Westchester University of Pennsylvania with my BSW back in 2018, and during my undergrad, I participated in the CWEB program, which is the Child Welfare Education for Baccalaureate program. Through that, so I did my senior field placement with Berks County Children and Youth, and I did that in their investigative department or intake department. So I was going out with other people and then also on my own investigating concerns and allegations of abuse or neglect in the home. So that was very interesting. I learned a lot while doing that. And then after school, I worked for Montgomery County Office of Children and Youth in their ongoing department. So I was working with families for longer term, addressing concerns, possibly trying to reunify depending on the situation. That was very different, but I did truly enjoy working with families. And then in early 2020, I actually traveled to Ireland to complete an internship independently. So that was with an agency called One Family. So they work with parents who are either single parents or separated parents, and they address different concerns. So I was on the parenting team. So I was working with parents who had parenting concerns or areas of parenting that they wanted to address. And I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed working with the families. And kind of solidified my want to work with families and to address concerns within the family unit. And I've had an increased interest lately in possibly working with military families, so I'm interested to see where that may lead me. And then some facts about me. I've also been doing a lot of cooking during the pandemic, so with all of us here, it does feel kind of worth it to be cooking so much, which is nice. My favorite band is All Time Low. I do listen to music all the time, so if anyone wants to swap songs or bands or artists, feel free. I also enjoy writing a lot, so that's something I like to do in my free time. I am really excited to start the MSW program with Widener. I have never had any completely online studies, so I am nervous for that transition. Plus, I've been out of school for 2 years, so it is going to take a minute to totally get back into the swing of things, but I'm very excited. I'm happy to be starting this chapter. I hope to learn a lot from you guys, and I hope that I'm able to give you guys some information as well, and I'm excited to see how the program goes. So, bye!